Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make black soul gems in Oblivion Remastered. So what you're going to do firstly, I'm going to show you on the map. You need to travel right here on the Dark Fissure. As you can see, it is just next to the Chaden Hall. So you have to travel to Dark Fissure right here. And then every 8 days, this little light right here will appear, as you can see. So this light right here, when it appears, we can actually create them. So you need to come to the altar here now. So go to the altar and then click on E, click on F on your keyboard, and then you're going to just put in all of your greater soul gems that are empty, of course. So you're going to put in only your empty greater soul gems. And then you're going to cast this spell right here. I'm going to show you. So on Magicka, you have to actually equip Soul Trap, and you're going to cast it right here, as you can see. So now when you have done so, you can do this a couple of times as well. And as you can see, I have two black soul gems now. And this is basically exactly how to create them.